All right, this is the 5-tier white shoe rack. I think it could be used for much more than shoes. You've got plenty of space for plants. It could be a work table. You could put food in a pantry. You could put books, plants. You can have a work table and then all your storage stuff down here. There's also hooks on the side that you can hang. If it's shoe rack, you could hang an umbrella, hats, different things, tools. You can use it in a workshop, craft room, all kinds of stuff. The back of the shelves has a lip on it, so stuff's not going to slide off the back. 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, and the bottom ones aren't solid, so dust and dirt's going to fall through if it's on your shoes or whatever. So yeah, really nice. I like the wood grain top, the 4 shelves, and the hooks on the side. So